Alright, today I have the Iwatani Portable Butane Stove cassette. This is the 35FW Professional Series. It is a super high power 15,000 BTU. And it achieves the 15,000 BTU due to these rails that you see right here. They break the wind. It has a double breaking wind solution on here, which increases the BTU from 10,000 BTU to 15,000 BTU just because of these windbreakers. I'm going to show you a little bit of the detail on the back. Double windbreaker, like I said. Heat panel system, magnetic locking system, which I'll be showing you that. Safety features: pressure sensor device, canister setting, safety device, pressurized receiving guide inside. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And inside here is the grill. Comes in customized plastic. Let's get this out right here. Daily inspection and maintenance. You should make sure you read this into its entirety so you know exactly how to do it. So here is the grill itself. You can see right here. This is the double walled right here. See that it's one wall to break the wind. Second wall is this panel right here. I'm going to open this up. Simple shows you right here. Use an oversized cooking utensil that extends over. Using an oversized cooking utensil that extends over the fuel cartridge cover may result in overheating of the fuel canister and result in a fire or explosion. So what basically that means is if you have a pot on here, make sure it does not extend beyond this right here, because if it extends over this where the butane goes, you can cause a fire explosion. If you look on the side right here, here are the controls. Right here it says simmer, and it goes on to on. It clicks on, it clicks igniting the butane fuel, which I'll show you momentarily. So I'm going to turn it back off. And to open this part, I'm just going to simply go over here, unclick that. It opens. And then I have the Iwatani butane fuel. Okay, this right here. So I'm going to go ahead. And there's the one, the cap already came off. So the cap comes off on this. The cap. Looks like I bent that somehow. I'll just use a different one. So have this, take the cap off, and you see how it's lined up right here. I'm just going to take this, put it in here, line it up. See how it's lined up right here? And push it in, and it magnetically pulls it together. Go ahead and close this. And then I'm going to ignite it. Simply, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this all the way until it's on, and it'll clip on. So watch this. And there's the flame. Feel the heat rising right there. It's very simple right here to do. Pretty cool. Turn it off. That is the Iwatani 35F Butane Stove. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.